We move on to question number 16, which reads, which of the following is not a principle of data protection as provided by the data protection laws in various countries? A, process data lawfully. B, maximize data collection. C, ensure data quality. D, limit data processing. Now, looking at these multiple choices, candidates, you can see that multiple choice B is maximize data collection, and D is limit data processing. These are opposites. Then candidates, it's important to note that data protection laws, the question is about data protection laws. Data protection laws, we know, are designed to regulate the collection, the use, and storage of personal data in order to protect the privacy and security of individuals. And these laws typically include a set of principles that organizations must follow in order to ensure that personal data is handled responsibly and ethically. So some of the principles that are commonly included in data protection include the processing of data. This obviously is a principle in data protection. Lawfully, processing data lawfully is a principle. This principle requires organizations to collect and process personal data in a legal and transparent manner, and to ensure that individuals are aware of how their data is being used. All right. Then data quality is another principle. Ensure data quality. Now, this principle requires organizations to ensure that the personal data they collect is accurate, is up to date, and relevant to the purpose for which is being collected. Right? Then limit data processing is another principle. Limit data processing. This principle requires organizations to minimize the amount of personal data they collect and process, and to only use the data for the specific purpose for which it is collected. So that is a principle. Organizations should not collect data from individuals that they do not need, and therefore maximize data collection is not a principle of data protection. In fact, the opposite is required, which is limit data processing, as I said before. Limiting data processing is a principle, and maximizing data collection cannot be a principle in data protection. Because typically, the data protection laws require organizations to do what? To minimize the amount of personal data they collect and process in order to protect the privacy of individuals. Because if organizations are to maximize the data they collect from individuals, then the privacy of individuals will be at risk. So therefore, candidates, the answer to Business Data Analytics December 2022 question number 16 is B. Maximize data collection is not a principle of data protection as provided by the data protection laws in various countries.